Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 10 best table saws you'll find in 2026. From compact job site models to premium cordless options, we'll break down what makes each one stand out. Let's get started. Number 1. Dewalt 15 ampere 8¼ inch compact portable job site table saw. The Dewalt 15 ampere 8¼ inch compact portable job site table saw is built for people who need a tool that travels easily but still handles serious work. Even with its smaller size, it offers 24½ inches of rip capacity, which means you can cut full sheets of plywood or oriented strand board without struggle. The rack and pinion telescoping fence rails make adjustments smooth and precise, so your cuts stay consistent. Onboard storage keeps the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge right where you need them, saving time during setup. A durable metal roll cage base protects the saw in rough job site conditions. The Site Pro modular guarding system allows tool-free adjustments, making changes quick and simple. And the power loss reset feature adds an extra layer of safety, preventing accidental restarts after an outage. Compact, durable, and practical, this saw balances mobility with capability. Number 2. SawStop Compact Table Saw. The SawStop Compact Table Saw is best known for its patented safety system. This technology instantly stops the blade if it comes into contact with skin, offering unmatched protection in the workshop. Beyond safety, the saw is built with heavy-duty, portable construction, giving it durability and stability for job site use. The rack and pinion fence system helps the fence stay square and makes adjustments smooth and accurate. It also includes high and low shelf support, which adds versatility when working with different materials. Another useful feature is quick tilt, allowing you to tilt the blade quickly to your preferred angle. For fine adjustments, the micro tilt adjust option gives you precise control. Altogether, this compact saw combines advanced safety, reliable construction, and flexible cutting options, making it a practical choice for both professionals and serious hobbyists who want peace of mind without sacrificing performance. Number 3. Skil 15 ampere 10-inch portable job site table saw with folding stand. The Skil 15 ampere 10-inch portable job site table saw is built to combine accuracy with convenience. Its rack and pinion fence rails help the fence stay perfectly parallel to the blade, which makes adjustments smooth and ensures precise cuts. The integrated folding stand is a practical feature, allowing the legs to fold in quickly for portability and easy storage. For fine-tuning, the parallel blade alignment system lets you micro-adjust the blade so it stays aligned with the rip fence and miter slot. This saw has the capacity to cut 4x4 material at 90 degrees, giving it versatility for larger projects. The bevel capacity ranges from 2 to 47 degrees, with positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, adjusted by a quick release lever. A dust port elbow redirects sawdust into a container, making cleanup more straightforward and keeping the workspace clear. Altogether, it's a practical tool for job site use. Number 4. Skil 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw with Stand. The Skil 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw is built around legendary worm drive gearing, which provides extra torque and cutting power. With a depth of cut up to 3 5/8 inches and a rip capacity of 30 1/2 inches, it can handle larger materials with confidence. The precision rack and pinion fence system makes adjustments quick and smooth, helping the fence stay square for accurate cuts. Mobility is another strength of this saw. It comes with a rugged rolling stand, equipped with 16-inch wheels and easy load handles, making it simple to move across job sites or into storage. A dust port elbow helps contain debris in one area, which makes cleanup more manageable and keeps the workspace safer. Altogether, this saw combines power, accuracy, and mobility, making it a practical choice for demanding projects where durability and performance are equally important. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 8¼ inch table saw with 1 key kit. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 8¼ inch table saw is designed to deliver the power of a 15 ampere corded saw while remaining fully portable. It offers a rip capacity of 24 1/2 inches and can cut up to 600 linear feet per charge. At its core is the Power State brushless motor, producing 6,300 revolutions per minute and maintaining speed under load for consistent cutting performance. The RedLink Plus intelligence system protects the tool from overload, overheating, and over-discharge, while the Red Lithium high-output battery provides extended runtime. A rack and pinion fence system ensures accuracy with quick adjustments, and onboard storage keeps accessories close at hand. The all-metal frame adds durability for daily job site use. What sets this saw apart is its one-key compatibility, allowing wireless connection to a smartphone for tool tracking, performance management, and enhanced security features. Number 6. Festool Cordless Table Saw CSCS-YS50 EBI Set. The Festool Cordless Table Saw CSCS-YS50 is designed to be incredibly compact and versatile. It is small enough to fit into a Sistainer case, yet powerful enough to deliver shop-quality cuts on the job site. With parallel cuts up to 11 inches, cross cuts up to 17 3/4 inches, and bevel cuts ranging from -10 to 47 degrees, it covers a wide range of applications. Precision is a highlight of this saw. The digital operation system allows you to set height and angle to 1/10 of a millimeter, ensuring repeat accuracy that is difficult to achieve with traditional tape measures. The guidance system includes a rip fence, miter gauge, and sliding table for stability and control. Powered by a dual 18-volt battery system and a brushless motor, it delivers corded-level performance. Compact, portable, and precise, this saw is built for demanding professional work. Number 7. Bosch GTS 15 10-inch Portable Job Site Table Saw. The Bosch GTS 15 10-inch Portable Job Site Table Saw is built for both performance and mobility. Powered by a 15-ampere motor, it runs at 3,800 revolutions per minute, making it capable of rip-cutting and cross-cutting fine and hardwood materials. A convenience brick helps the blade stop in about 3 seconds, improving productivity and safety. The design includes clamp zone areas, allowing the tabletop to serve as a light-duty secondary work surface when needed. Its open-frame roll bar construction keeps the saw lightweight while still durable enough for job site use. Soft start circuitry manages motor startup intensity, reducing the chance of tripping a breaker, while electronically regulated speed helps maintain cutting performance under load. For portability, the saw pairs seamlessly with the GTA 50W gravity rise wheeled stand, offering single-action setup and takedown. Altogether, this saw blends cutting power, thoughtful safety features, and mobility for everyday professional use. Number 8. Flex 24-volt brushless cordless 10-inch table saw. The Flex 24-volt brushless cordless 10-inch table saw is designed to bring corded-level performance into a portable format. Powered by stacked lithium technology, it delivers twice the power, 3 times the runtime, and faster charging compared to standard systems. It is the first cordless 10-inch table saw capable of cutting 4x4 lumber in a single pass, making it highly versatile for job site work. A feature called Cut Sense automatically stops the blade after each cut, helping extend runtime and improve productivity. The rechargeable LED fence work light adds visibility when cutting, and can be removed for use as a standalone light. The rack and pinion fence system ensures quick alignment and accurate cuts without recalibration. A battery power indicator on the front panel shows remaining charge, and compatibility with the Flex 24-volt power adapter allows extended runtime when connected to alternating current. Number 9. Evolution R10 TBLX 10-inch Job Site Table Saw. The Evolution R10 TBLX 10-inch Job Site Table Saw is built for versatility and durability. At its core is a 15-ampere high-torque motor with soft start, designed to cut a wide range of materials including wood, mild steel, aluminum, and composites. It comes with a premium 10-inch blade for clean, precise cuts. With a rip capacity of 26 inches and a maximum cut depth of 3 3/8 inches, it handles sheet materials with ease. The bevel range extends from 0 to 45 degrees, adjusted with a geared selector for accuracy. A dual rack and pinion fence system provides micro-adjustable rip control and stable blade alignment. The wheeled scissor stand is collapsible, heavy-duty, and equipped with large all-terrain wheels for mobility across rough surfaces. Safety features include an electronic blade brake, anti-kickback pawls, a quick-release riving knife, and a large paddle switch for fast shutoff. Number 10. Prostormer 10-inch table saw with stand. The Prostormer 10-inch table saw is designed as a portable benchtop option for woodworking projects. Powered by a 15-ampere motor, it runs at 5,000 revolutions per minute, giving it enough speed to cut most types of wood with ease. A dust collector port is built into the back, allowing you to connect a vacuum or dust collection system to keep the workspace cleaner. Storage areas on both sides of the saw provide space for wrenches and the push stick, keeping accessories close at hand. Safety features include a clear blade guard that maintains visibility while reducing the risk of accidental contact, along with a stable bottom support to prevent movement during cutting. The saw can handle crosscuts at 90 degrees and bevel cuts from 0 to 45 degrees with adjustable blade angle and height. 4 sturdy metal brackets at the base provide stability for consistent performance.